In today's digital age, there are countless ways to make money online. But what if I told you there's a strategy hidden in plain sight, an internet secret that could help you make $1,000 a week, starting today? That's right. Today we're going to explore one of the fastest ways to generate $1,000 per week, something the internet pros have kept under wraps for a long time. So if you're looking to boost your income, whether part-time or full-time, stay tuned. Success takes work, and building a real income stream online requires dedication. But what I'm about to share is legitimate, tested, and scalable. It's not easy money, but it's smart money. Alright, it's time to reveal the internet's best-kept secret, digital product arbitrage. If you haven't heard of this before, don't worry, you're not alone. Digital product arbitrage is a method where you leverage existing online tools to source, create, or sell digital products without needing to be the creator yourself. With platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market, you can sell digital downloads, templates, printables, and more. Best of all, these products don't require inventory, shipping, or massive startup costs. So how does digital product arbitrage work? Step 1. Identify high-demand digital products first. You need to find digital products that are already selling well. These could be resume templates, digital planners, social media graphics, or printable wall art. Step 2. Source or create the product. You don't have to design everything from scratch. There are platforms like Canva where you can modify pre-made templates, or you can outsource the creation to freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork for very little cost. Step 3. Sell on multiple platforms. List your product on multiple marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. The more platforms you're on, the more exposure you'll get. Finally, set up automated marketing. You can use Pinterest, Instagram, or even Facebook ads to drive traffic to your digital product pages. Once set up, these products can sell over and over again with minimal ongoing effort. Now that you know what digital product arbitrage is, let's talk about how you can get started today. Step 1. Sign up on a marketplace. Create an account on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market. It's free to sign up, and these platforms have millions of users searching for digital products every day. Step 2. Choose a niche that interests you and has high demand. Are you into graphic design? Create social media templates. Love organization? Sell printable planners. The possibilities are endless. Step 3. Create or source your first product. Use Canva, Photoshop, or hire a freelancer to create your first digital product. Remember, you don't have to be a design expert to get started. Promote and scale once your product is live. Promote it there, Pinterest, Instagram, or even YouTube. As you gain traction, consider reinvesting some of your profits into ads to scale your reach. The beauty of digital product arbitrage is that it offers a form of passive income. Once your product is live and your marketing is set up, it can sell over and over without you having to lift a finger. Imagine waking up to notifications of sales while you sleep. So what are you waiting for? Sign up on your chosen marketplace, start creating or sourcing products, and begin your journey to $1,000 a week. Remember, the sooner you start, the faster you'll see results. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who could benefit from this secret strategy. See you in the next video.